Spooky places have a charm that nobody can deny. Whether or not you have the guts to actually visit these places, you're always intrigued by what it would be like to just be there. India is full of places that are considered to be haunted. Regardless of truth behind the claims of spooky activity at these places, they continue to attract the visitors all year around. But if you are planning to visit India and want to explore some haunted places, do watch the full video and make sure you drop that like. Kuldhara, Rajasthan. Kuldhara is in Rajasthan is famous for the power of the spirits. This village was abandoned by its people and has been a curse for more than 200 years. It's been said around 83 villagers left and just disappeared one night. That curse stays true till date because the town is barren and uninhabited. D'Souza Chahal, Mumbai. D'Souza Chahal in Mahim, Mumbai. A woman who lived in the chawl, who once went to fill water, fell into the well and died. Since then, it's believed her spirit roams in the area around the well. Many people have spotted a woman's figure who disappeared later, but her spirit is believed to be harmless, claims the resident, as it does not trouble anyone, but people are often advised not to go there at night alone. Dohil, West Bengal. Dohil is in Darjeeling, and this region is popular for its airiness that is quite evident in the forest and the surrounding area. According to the locals, the forest has several spirits that roam around freely, and you can feel their presence if you take a walk here in the evening. People who have also spotted a headless boy who runs and disappears into the woods, and they claim that whoever spots him cannot forget. Spirits of many children haunt the Victoria Boys High School. This school is over a century old, and even during vacations, local can hear footsteps and shrieks of children coming from within the empty premises. Damas Beach, Gujarat. Located along the Arabian Sea, Damas Beach is considered one of the most haunted places in Gujarat. The beach is renowned for two things: one for its black sand and other for being haunted. It is said that Damas Beach was once used as a Hindu burial ground and hence is possessed by several haunting spirits that never left the region. If reports are to be believed, several tourists and locals have gone missing from Surat's haunted beach, Damas. Also, a man was found dead on the beach with his tongue popping out, and there is absolutely no one who could explain the reason behind all these mishaps. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. Located in Rajasthan's Alwar, Bhangar Fort is a 17th century structure, most of which is now in ruins. It is also one of the most haunted places in the world, and a notice board has been put up here by ASI that nobody is allowed to be in the premises of the fort at night. Ratnavati was the princess of Bhangar, and Singha was a black magician who was attracted to her. He decided to use his magical power to lure princess, but when she found out about this, the magician's devilish plan backfired and the tantric was crushed to death. But before breathing his last, he placed a curse upon the entire train, saying that no soul would ever live peacefully here. Since then, Bhangar has been haunted.
अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक कर देना, अगर ज़्यादा पसंद आई तो शेयर कर देना, और चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना, नहीं तो पलंग के नीचे से हाथ आएगा, घोटी दबा के ले जाएगा। गुमनाम है कोई बदनाम है कोई